Hey there, friends! Today, we're going to talk about a fantastic solution that can help you fix nail damage fast. Are your nails constantly breaking, chipping, or just feeling fragile? You're not alone. Many people struggle with weak, brittle nails that just won't grow strong. But what if you could change that with just one simple step? This solution is designed to repair and restore your nails, giving them the strength and beauty they deserve. It's easy to use and works by nourishing your nails from the inside out. Whether it's from everyday wear, harsh chemicals, or lack of proper care, your nails go through a lot. This solution helps reverse that damage by delivering essential nutrients that support nail growth and strength. Using this solution couldn't be easier. Apply it daily as part of your routine. It's fast-absorbing, non-greasy, and fits effortlessly into your day. And within weeks, you'll start noticing real results. With consistent use, your nails will be visibly stronger, shinier, and healthier. You'll finally be able to grow the beautiful, resilient nails you've always wanted without worrying about constant breakage or weakness. Now, you may ask, does this work for me? We are confident it will work wonders for you, as it did for thousands of our satisfied customers. Even so, some people may take longer to respond to the protocol than others, depending on their current nails and feet condition. As with all natural solutions, we recommend giving this a fair chance, in order for all the potent ingredients to activate and be absorbed by your body. Is this really safe to use? Of course it is. We take exceptional pride in our products and in their safety. All ingredients are carefully handled according to the USDA National Organic Program in FDA-registered and inspected facility. Each bottle is sealed by the producer's medical laboratory, guaranteeing all safety measurements a medical facility must offer. The bottles you have purchased will arrive at your delivery address properly packed by our trusted shipping company. 100% benefits and zero compromises when it comes to your nails and feet health. Pure, clean and effective, 100% free of chemical coating and other non-essential fillers, zero dangerous stimulants, zero toxins and not habit-forming, non-GMO, vegan and gluten-free. Incredible results in record time. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to nail damage and hello to strong, healthy nails, give this solution a try. It's time to take control of your nail health. No more hiding your hands. Get the strong, beautiful nails you deserve. Click the link below and start your transformation today. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maintaining healthy nails. Until next time, take care of your nails and stay beautiful.